a Persian leopard. There are perhaps no more than 24 individuals in the whole country. Their survival is precarious. A lone male cautiously patrols his territory. Then, a female. These are the first images ever taken of a female Persian leopard in Iraq. She is even more secretive than the male. Several months might pass before she comes back to this spot. But finally, she reappears. And at her side, a new family. The cubs are very young and follow her everywhere. And if she can keep them safe, there is a chance that this tiny population could establish itself in these precious upland forests.